Guys, are we recording? Okay, we have a new update in this Brookhaven. So this is a new two houses with new tool and with the new props. Okay, first you're gonna do is like if you like my video, comment if you want to get shout out, and subscribe if you want to get notified. Okay, let's go. Go to the premium house first. So I watch the ad again so I can prove it to you. Yeah, there. So I will show you again. So I will remove this real quick. So I will look at that carefully, okay? Yeah, that's I add. So first, okay. Oh, what's that? Bro, it got tags. So yeah. Okay. So we have a TV, huge TV. We have a stairs. We're gonna go here first. Kitchen and the dining table with a mirror. Who put mirror in the... Okay, we're gonna activate this button, baby. Sheesh, bro. This is so cool. What is this? Oh, this is the heating. Yeah, that's the picture. Okay, I will show you. So, library book. So, we're gonna go here. Third floor. We have third floor. So, this is the new city update. Okay. Okay, where's the safe, by the way? Where's the safe? Guys, I think guys, there's so many. Okay, we gotta open this balcony. Wow, this is so cool. Bro, this is so actually so cool. So, okay, yeah. Oh my gosh. What? ABC for... What is this? Oh my god. Who put that bad voice? Okay, where is the safe? You can open this? What? Okay. Oh my gosh. Where's the safe? Okay, I will show you in my next video. Later. Oh my god, where's the safe, bro? So next we're gonna go to the free house, cause this is a free house. What? Okay. Let's go here. Ooh, okay, let's change this color. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. Bro. Okay. Oh, where's the where are the stairs? Oh, this is a big. This is a big. Yeah, there is a garage. Oh my gosh. I'm so lost of this house, bro. Okay, we gotta go here. We're gonna go here. Bro, I cannot climb. Oh my god. I'm so raw, dude. Ooh. Okay, open this bad boy. Oh my god, this is so big, bad, bro. I cannot. Where is the safe? Dude, where's the safe? What is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see the new props and tool. Okay, with you guys. So we have this newspaper. Oh, there's a new animation. Okay, we have new tools. First, we have this. It's the sign. Please don't be tagged. Yes! Okay, finally. We have a fan. Oh my god, it's so cold. Okay, what is... Oh, this is a heat. Ooh. So my editor is gonna be mad at me later. So don't mind my editor. Close. Oh. What? Oh, close. Okay. Okay, what is this? Chat. It's the newspaper. What the fuck? Where is this? Bro, it has a gun, bro. Bro, it's fake gun. Remember that. So I will end this video now. My editor is gonna be mad after this. So goodbye.